A recurring question that I always get when I'm working with either vinyl wrap or liquid wrap is whether or not I can use this on a leased car. And my answer is always, of course you can. The beauty of this stuff is that it's totally removable. And since we have the option of removing this stuff 100%, whether it's vinyl wrap or liquid wrap, when your lease is up, all you need to do is remove the coating and go back to normal. Nobody will ever even notice. So with all that in mind, we're gonna take a look at some BMW wheels that I did today. Of course, another BMW. This is quickly turning into a BMW channel. We're taking the wheels from a standard alloy silver to a high gloss black finish. That's gonna give us the ability to get that powder coat look, but also give us the benefit of removing it later on. We're gonna be spraying the wheels in AutoFlex high gloss professional coatings, and it's gonna give us a buttery smooth finish.
Baked and buttery flavored crust.
So we're gonna go pull a Ty Lopez, head into my garage and get these wheels sprayed. I can't wait to show you guys, and I hope you like it. You can't see it here, but we already started off with 2 coats of clear to build up that base for our coating. Next, we're going in with black, and we're gonna do a total of about 9 coats before we ultimately seal it off with another clear coat before we go in and hit it with our gloss. Of course, if you've ever worked with any liquid wrap coating in the past, you know that building up the coats is absolutely essential and super important to be able to remove it nice and easily when we're ready to take it off. So this is what the result looked like after we laid all those base coats and finally went in and hit it with that buttery smooth AutoFlex gloss. Anyway, that's all for this one. If you liked the video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. I post a lot of automotive filmmaking videos, customization videos, car reviews, and plenty of other things. So if any of those things pique your interest, please consider subscribing. I think that you'll enjoy the content that I put out. But anyway, like I said, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys next time.